everyone, welcome back. Not getting Temu notifications for order updates, flash sales, or delivery alerts? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down to the list of apps to find Temu or directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap notifications and make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap it to turn it green. Check the alerts tab below and make sure it's set to banners or alerts, not none. Turn on sound and badges as well. Now, scroll back to the top of your home settings screen or just directly search for focus. Here, go to each focus mode you use and confirm that Temu isn't in the list of silenced apps. Temu's order update and delivery notifications are important for tracking your orders, so also check inside the Temu's app under profile notification settings and make sure order updates and promotions are toggled on there as well. So all you gotta do is go to settings, Temu, allow notifications on, banners, focus checked, and confirm enough notifications. Temu alerts will arrive and that's it. Subscribe.